How to declutter and organize a home. Household clutter seems relatively harmless, but many people feel stressed when they surround themselves with more things than they can manage. Clutter can affect our ability to focus. It might even feel too overwhelming to tackle, so the messes don't get cleaned up and get bigger and feel even more upsetting. Organizing and decluttering relieves stress for many people by providing a sense of control and accomplishment. 61.7% of survey respondents said decluttering reduced their overall stress level. Here are some steps to declutter and organize our homes. Set a timeline and goals. Write down to-do list on daily basis. Take one room or one space at a time. Set completion dates for each phase of your cleanup, and choose timelines that are attainable. Organizing tips. Everything should have a designated place. Mindful shopping will also prevent from adding clutter in our home. Declutter often. Decluttering is not a one-time job. We should constantly declutter things to get rid of unnecessary items in our homes. Clear flat surfaces. Keeping countertops cleared off as much as possible and putting things where they belong. Create a sorting system. Keep items that are useful in your daily life. Get rid of items that you no longer have a use for. Evaluate the item, consider its condition, and sort it accordingly. Items that should be trashed include paperwork or bills that are no longer relevant or you have digital copies. Living room. The purpose of living room is to relax. Too many things in living room makes it feel cluttered and overcrowded. Install shelving for video games, DVDs, and other media that is prone to sitting out in the open. Look for furniture with storage capacity that can serve as furniture as well as storage. Kitchen. Start by decluttering countertops. Clear the countertops, except some necessary appliances like toaster or electric kettle. Divide the kitchen into zones. Designate the space near the stove for cooking utensils, pots and pans. Make a separate section for baking items. Storage bags, cling wrap, aluminum foil and similar items should get their own zone, as well as cleaning supplies. Keeping things simple is the key to limiting the chaos in this high-traffic space. Bedroom. Make your bed after waking up. Get your clutter under control. Categorize similar kinds of things together and keep them in organizers. Tackle the wardrobe and chest of drawers. Try to keep less accessories. Too many cushions or pillows will end up lying on the floor, making the room more messy. Closet. Follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of the time, we generally only wear 20% of the clothing we own. Our mission is to get rid of the things we don't use 80% of the time. Any clothes that no longer fit or haven't been worn in the past year can go, which will help free up more space in the bedroom. Either donate to charity if in good condition, or throw away if in poor condition. Think of the last time you needed it. If you come across something you haven't used in the last 6 months, you should probably get rid of it. Track which items you actually use. Only keep those items and try to get rid of extra things in your closet. Bathroom. Bathroom should always be neat and clean. Any stagnant water shall be dried up. Toiletries and bottles should be kept in a tidy manner. Disinfectants should be used on a regular basis. Summary. Don't be hard on yourself and do the work which you can manage easily. Fix your weekly and monthly goals. Don't try to do it all at once. Take small steps to accomplish tasks. If you have started any work, try not to leave it incomplete. Don't leave any pending work for tomorrow. Also involve children by giving the bite-sized weekly task and treat them with anything small, at the accomplishment of the target. Hope these guidelines will help us to organize and manage our homes more effectively. Thanks for watching.